Welcome to 5 Minute English from Listen and Learn English podcast.
Hello, this is your new English podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma.
Have you ever heard that eating fish makes you smarter? Or that sugar makes kids hyperactive?
We hear these things all the time, but are they true? Can food really change how our brain works?
Today, we're diving into the myths and realities of how food affects the brain.
We'll look at what science says about food and its impact on memory, focus, and even emotions.
And of course, we'll break down some key vocabulary to help you improve your English.
Let's get started.
Our brain is a powerful organ, but it needs the right fuel to function at its best.
Some foods help our brain work better, while others might actually slow it down.
Do you know which nutrient is most important for brain function? Is it protein, B, omega-3 fatty acids, C, carbohydrates?
I think it's B, omega-3 fatty acids. They're found in fish, and I've heard they're good for the brain.
Are you sure? We'll reveal the answer later.
I can't wait to find out.
The brain is made up of nearly 60% fat, and omega-3 fatty acids are essential for maintaining brain cell health. These healthy fats are found in foods like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds.
Studies have shown that people who consume more omega-3s tend to have better memory and cognitive function. In fact, research suggests that diets rich in omega-3s may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease.
But not all fats are good. Trans fats, found in processed foods like fries and pastries, can damage brain cells and contribute to cognitive decline. That's why nutritionists recommend avoiding them as much as possible.
Another key nutrient for brain health is antioxidants. These protect brain cells from damage caused by stress and aging. Blueberries, dark chocolate, and green tea are packed with antioxidants that support mental clarity and memory.
Speaking of memory, did you know that a Mediterranean diet has been linked to lower rates of dementia? This diet includes vegetables, whole grains, fish, and healthy fats like olive oil.
That's amazing. Another food that benefits the brain is turmeric. It contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve mood and reduce the risk of depression.
And let's not forget protein. Proteins contain amino acids, which are the building blocks of neurotransmitters, chemicals that help brain cells communicate. Eggs, lean meat, and legumes are excellent sources.
One of the most debated topics is sugar. While the brain needs glucose for energy, too much sugar can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to mood swings and brain fog.
Exactly. Studies suggest that high sugar consumption may even contribute to memory problems over time. Instead of processed sugar, it's better to get natural sugars from fruits and whole foods.
And then there's caffeine. Found in coffee and tea, caffeine can improve focus and alertness. However, too much can lead to anxiety and poor sleep quality, which negatively impacts brain function.
Water is another essential element for the brain. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, confusion, and difficulty concentrating. Experts recommend drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day.
That's a great point. And don't forget about gut health. The gut and brain are connected, and probiotics, found in yogurt and fermented foods, can improve mental health by supporting a healthy gut microbiome.
So, a well-balanced diet with healthy fats, proteins, antioxidants, and proper hydration is key to maintaining brain function and mental clarity. Absolutely. Small changes in your diet can make a huge difference in how you feel and think every day. So, what's the most important nutrient for brain function? The correct answer is B, omega-3 fatty acids.
I knew it. Omega-3s are essential for brain health, memory, and focus.
Let's go over some key words. First, omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats found in fish that help brain function.
Tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce melatonin, the sleep hormone.
Antioxidants, substances that protect cells from damage, found in foods like blueberries.
Flavonoids, compounds in dark chocolate that improve blood flow to the brain.
Oxidative stress, damage to cells caused by free radicals, which can harm the brain over time.
And finally, processed foods, foods that are chemically altered and often unhealthy.
Thanks for joining us today. Want to test what you've learned? Try our quiz.
And don't forget to subscribe for more fun and useful English lessons.
We'll see you next time.
Bye!
For now. Which food is known to improve brain function? A. Blueberries. B. Chips. C. Soda.
How does sugar affect the brain? Boosts memory long-term. B. Increases energy but can lead to crashes. C. Makes you feel full for hours.
What kind of diet helps brain health? A. High in processed foods. B. Rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. C. Based only on protein.
Which part of the brain is linked to memory and learning? Hippocampus. B. Cerebellum. For instance.
Why is dehydration bad for the brain? A. It slows down cognitive function. B. It improves focus. C. It increases brain size. That's all for now. Remember to follow us, like and comment to support us.
Bye!
See you next time.